And let's get started. All right, let's get started. Hey ChatGPT, write me the code for a smart contract on Ethereum to automatically hunt for snipping opportunities to earn Ethereum. There you go. ChatGPT is running a code, and I bet it's better than any human could possibly think of. Then, head over to remixi.co. Remix is a Web3 application that allows us to develop, compile, deploy, and launch smart contracts coded in the Solidity language. I'll put a link to Remix in the description below. Make sure you have the Metamask browser extension installed and you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. If it's your first time on Remix, it may ask you to agree to their terms. I've already done it. Head over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the contracts folder. We're going to name it bot.sol. Next, copy this code from ChatGPT and paste it into the bot.sol file you've just created. This is our snipping trading bot. I will also place this code under the description so that you can copy it if you don't have access to ChatGPT. A couple of things to look at after pasting the code in lines 15 and 16. You can follow these addresses using Etherscan. These are the addresses of wrapped Ether tokens which we'll be competing against. You don't actually need to have any wrapped Ether. Yep, perfect. It's the official wrapped Ether address. Always a good idea to check that back to Remix. Now that our bot file is ready, let's compile it. Click here. As you can see here, it's built with the 0.6.6 version of Solidity under compiler. Select the 0.6.6 version so that it matches our contract. Also, make sure that the language is set to Solidity and EVM version is set to default. And wait for the bot to compile. Now we're going to deploy this to our wallet. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab in Remix here. You'll want to select the Injected Web3 as the environment. We need to confirm the contract on the blockchain by paying gas fees. Gas fees are the commission fee on the Ethereum network or smart contract deployment. Now the deployment under utility is ready to go. Click Deploy. I always set the gas fee to high. There's usually not much of a difference, and it puts the transaction through much faster. Now, we wait for the transaction to confirm. Sweet. We can see here that it is confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Now you can see the various functions for our smart contract. Start enables the bot to start monitoring the markets, and Withdraw stops the bot and transfers funds back into your wallet. With the smart contract deployed, fund it with some Ethereum, which will be used for trading. Make sure you get the right address there. You can fund the contract with whatever amount of Ethereum you want, but keep in mind that the more you put in, the larger the trades you'll be able to make and potentially more profit you can accumulate over time. Sweet, there we go. The transaction confirms that the funds were sent to the contract. We can make sure by checking our contract address on the Etherscan once again, ensuring our Ethereum is in the contract. Nice. It's got 1 Ethereum, which is the amount we funded the contract with. Last step is to click Start. This will enable the bot to start sniffing the mempool to find different liquidity pairs, in order for you to sandwich transactions. Let's set the gas speed to high, save, and click confirm. Alright guys, it's been a little over 12 hours now, and it's time to check the profits the bot made. So as you can see, I have about 1.31 Ethereum, which is 31% of the profit already. I'm going to let my bot run for about another 12 hours. Alright, let's see how much more we made. Nice. It's a little over 1.6 Ethereum, so it basically took me a day to gain over half of my deposit back. That's pretty impressive. The bot will continue to run until you click the withdraw button. When you click withdraw, the bot will stop trading and return to the total Ethereum you've entered initially, including the profit, back to your wallet. So, let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. I'll set it to high again and then click confirm. There we go. Then transaction confirmed. Let's go to our Metamask and see what we have now. You can see the balance from the bot is already now in my wallet. This is only after running the bot for a little over a day. Unreal. I've even had weeks where I've made 3 to 6 Ethereum, sometimes even more. The profits will fluctuate week to week. Guys, share your profits in the comments below, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more profitable ways to make passive income using Web3 tools.